viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jim and this is Online Everything. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make up to $4,000 from this simple method I'm going to be showing you. And the good thing about this method is it is simple, absolutely simple, and it is free all over the world. You can do it all over the world. You don't have to pay a dime to do this, and it requires zero skill, so anybody can actually do this. So but before we get into the video, and if you are new to my channel and you have not subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell icon so you get notified anytime I make an awesome video like this that can give you an opportunity to make money online. And if at the end of the video you like what I've presented, I'd like you to give us a thumbs up. So that's it. Let's get into what we have for today. So the two websites we're going to be using is Reddit and Kickbooster.me. Now Reddit is like the biggest web discussion website in the world. This is the biggest discussion website in the world. It has millions of members, millions of views daily. So we are going to be using Reddit to make a lot of cash. So what I want you to do is click on this sign up button right here. If you click on the sign up button, you're going to be brought to this page. Now you can put your email here, your email address, and you click on next, and you follow the prompt and you create your account. Now we'll go back to this other website, Kickbooster.com. Now this website allows us to allows us to sell products and we get paid in return. Now if you click on this affiliate marketers, all we want to do is become an affiliate marketer in this website. And so when you click on the affiliate marketer, you're going to be brought up to this page right here, and you can see it says how Kickboosters work for affiliate marketers. What you have to do is, number one, you have to sign up. Number two, you have to select campaigns. Number three, you have to spread the word. But no fears, even though you don't know how to do this, I'm going to show you step by step how you're going to do it. I'm going to give you the scripts that you're going to follow. You just have to copy and paste, but make sure you watch this video to the end, because I'm going to give you a calculation that's going to blow your mind, something very important. So make sure you watch to the end of this video. So once you've so what you're going to do, you have to click on this get started page, this get started, or become a booster. Once you click on any of these, you're going to be brought up to this page. And now there are two ways to make money here. Is either you are a campaign owner or you are a booster, and you and I, we are the boosters. We are the one that want to make money through affiliate marketing here. So when you click on this affiliate icon here, you're going to be brought up to your dashboard. This is your dashboard. Now this is what it's going to look like. But before you continue with this, you have to go back to your email address, to your email, because they're going to send you a confirmation test. So once you click on it, before this, your account can be confirmed. So you click on it, you're going to be brought up, your account is going to look like this. Your account has been confirmed, and now you're ready to go. So the next thing we are going to do is you click on this marketplace. Now if you click on the marketplace, this is where it's going to bring you to. This is the page that you're going to see. So here is the marketplace. Here is where you get products to actually sell. Now as you can see, there are different categories. There's design, there's fashion, there's food, there's health, there's outdoor sporting goods. Any of these categories, any of these things that you feel will be good for you, anyone will sell. So you can choose from these categories. Now as you can see here, sort by, there's latest picks, there's newest arrivals, most funded, ending soon, commission. So, but what I would advise you to do is leave it on latest picks, because it helps you sort out the best ones that people are promoting right now, the ones that are actually getting sales right now. So as you can see, there are so many. You can see this one has sold $23,400, $234,000 sorry, has been raised from this campaign alone. So but for this video, I'm going to be showing you, I'm going to be doing a live demo of how you can actually get your affiliate link from this website and go to Reddit, paste it there, and make money from it. I'm going to be showing you a script. I've written a script down that you can actually follow to actually make this work, because it is easy to just get your affiliate link. The challenge is how to actually get people to click on your link, and that's what I'm going to be doing for you today, free of charge, already done. All you have to do is watch to the end of the video, copy and paste. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to be choosing, okay, let me see, I'm going to be choosing, okay, OSnap. So let's choose on this campaign. Now if you click on this OSnap, click on this boost campaign, click on it, you're going to be brought to this web page. This is the web page where you get your affiliate link. It's just easy, and this right here is your affiliate link. You can see you say you earn 10% cash back for helping us spread the word. Beware, with 10% commission of every dollar you help raise for our campaign, all you have to do is click the button and register as a poster. So for every commission, for every person that buys this stuff, you get 10%. I know many of you might think 10% is too small. Like I said, I'm going to do a calculation for you at the end of the video, so watch to the end and you see what I'm going to do. So right here, this is your affiliate link. So what you have to do, what you want to do is copy this link and paste it somewhere, save it. Now this is when any buyer or anybody that wants to view whatever you're selling clicks on the link, it's going to be brought to this page. Now this is the page that they're going to see when they come. So as you can see, this has already sold about 487,000. So people are already promoting this stuff. You can see as it's increasing, people are making sales. Now there's a video here. This video is a convincing video, so if you come here, you don't have to talk too much. They watch the video, now they are convinced, so they want to buy. So when they click, or so when they are interested, they click on this back this project up, and they'll be brought to this site, and they pay money. They pay the money that they want to pay, and you get your 10%. So now just assume this OSnap is $20. You get $2 from it. It's small, right? But don't worry, I'm going to show you the magic right here. So now you have gotten your link, which you have gotten your link, which is this. Now the next thing for you is to go back to Reddit, and then you paste your link here. But how are you going to paste your link here? How do you go about it? So now, since the OSnap talks about a mobile phone, so we're going to come here, search on mobile phone. So we're going to search on mobile phones and see what comes up. Okay, so we're going to click view more. And now as you can see, these are the categories that are under mobile phones. So you can see technology, you have 9 million members. iPhone, you have 22.3 million members. Android, you have 2.2 million members. Gaming, you have 26 million members. And these groups, most of the people, like a lot of the people here, they have notifications. So whenever somebody posts something in these groups, they get notified on their mobile phone. So rest assured that whatever you post is going to get to people, lots of people. So what I want you to do is you're going to join these groups. So you're going to click join and join this group, and now you're going to be posting something, and this you're going to be writing a post in this website. And now you don't have to write this post off the top of your head. Like I told you, I've already written them down for you people. So all you have to do is copy and paste. So this is the script that I've written, because the key idea of getting people to click on whatever you have posted is to get them engaged. You don't just go there and say, okay, check this post, click on the link, and nobody's gonna listen to you. The thing is that you have to let them engage them, make them feel like they want to know more about what you're saying. So your post is like this, ahead of the OSnap. Lots of them, they don't know what OSnap is, so they want to know what it is. You'll be like, OSnap is a powerful grip tool that you use for your phone. OSnap transforms into a multi-angle stand, so whether you are on FaceTime with a friend or taking a break to watch some YouTube video, this handy kickstand has you covered. So you write, you want to learn more. So they'll be like, okay, since he's not advertising to us, he's not telling us to buy anything. Okay, let me just read it. I think this thing is cool. And as you can see right here, this is where you paste your link. This is your affiliate link that you got from Kickposter. This is your affiliate link that you got from here. This is the one that you're going to be pasting here. So this is mine. You're going to paste yours. And once they click on it, they're going to be brought to this web, this page right here. And now they watch this video. They are convinced. They click on this. They buy, and you get your 10%. and you can see that now. Like I said, just assume that they pay $20 and you get $2 from this. Okay, now let's look at this. Now this is just imagine you post it, that's you post one here, that's iPhone, that's about 2.3 million members. Now I did a calculation for you now. So assume out of the 2.3 million members from just the iPhone section, I'm just talking about just this iPhone because there are lots of sections that you can post here. I'm just talking about the iPhone. Okay, let's assume that you posted in iPhone 2.3 million members, and out of the 2.3 million members, just 1% decided to read whatever you have posted, right? Decide to read whatever you have posted, then they go to that website and they come here and they see that you have to pay for it and they go back, they don't want to. Now out of that 23%, 23,000 people that came to your link, clicked your link, 10% of them decided to buy. If 10% decide to buy out of the 23,000 people, 10% out of 100% decide to buy, that means 2,300 people actually buy that product through your link. And now we said if you are selling it for $20, you get $2. So you get, that's your 10% from your from the $20. You get $2 from each person that comes buys your that product through your link. So just imagine 10% of this 1% actually wants to buy, and they buy from you. That's 2,300 people times your $2, that you make $4,600 for just one post. Do you want me to go over it again? So out of the 2.3 million members from just the iPhone section, 2.3 million members, 1%, which is very, very unlikely, I'm just talking 1% decide to read your post and go to your link and go to the website where you have directed them to. 1%. And then out of the 1%, which is 23,000 people that go through your link, 10% decide to buy. I'm just using very, very low numbers. 10% decide to buy, meaning you're going to be having 2,300 people actually buying, and the 2,300 people buy times the $2 that you make per each person, you're going to be making $4,600 for just one post. Just one post. That is just for the whole snap, and this is just for just one group. You have iPhone, you have technology, you have Android, you have gaming. I'm just talking about so many groups here, and you just if you make just $4,600 from iPhone, just imagine how much you're gonna make here. Imagine how much you're gonna make here, and this is just for just one. And there are lots of other things that you can actually promote here. And if you follow this script that I've given you, it's very easy. Just copy and paste, and people are going to get engaged, because if you get them engaged, you've gotten their attention. Once you've gotten their attention, you can do with them whatever you want. So this is going to get their attention. Now, so imagine you make $4,600 from here, you make $4,600 from here for just one post. And if you post here for just that whole snap, you're going to make money. Then you go back to another product again, you follow that same script, you follow the same process, you take your affiliate links, you go back to Reddit, post here, go not here, whatever is related to whatever you have chosen, you search for the groups here, post in those groups. You're going to make a lot of money, and you can still make money on YouTube, Facebook. This is just Reddit. You can go to Facebook. If you go to Facebook, you search for mobile phones, you say filter it to just groups. You can see lots of groups. You have 26,000 groups, you have 16,000 groups, you have 11,000 groups, 11,000 members. I mean, you have 169k members. So many. If you use that same script which I've given you right here, just post your link, drop it there. So many people are going to come through, because right now everybody with their phones, they have nowhere to go because of this lockdown. They have nowhere to go. Actually, nothing important, just social media. You have Facebook, you have Twitter, you have YouTube, you have WhatsApp. Those are the only things that they are doing on their phones, and they're going to get notifications once anything is posted in the script. So imagine how much you can actually make from this if you just follow my step-by-step script that I've already written for you. Everything that I've said in this video, if you missed anything, go back from the beginning again and start from scratch, because I've just done everything so simply for anybody that wants to make money from it, because people are making money. You don't want to be left behind. So that's just it for the video. So if you have any questions that you want to ask me, you can comment in the comment section below. I'm going to answer you. So, and that actually brings us to the end of the video. So if you actually liked this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe so that you get new videos, new awesome videos that are gonna ways to make money, because I'm gonna be posting videos very often, almost every day. I'll try every day, but just the only thing you can do for me is subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so you get notified anytime I make a new video, so you will not be left out. So till next time, thank you.